So the blind chess or the dark chess is different from the regular chess that it only takes up half of the board and it's placed within each square like that instead of on the intersection. And so for example, if I'm the first person to go and I flip a piece and it happens to be black, then my color is black and my opponent's color would be red. So the second person would flip a random piece which happens to be red, and that would be my opponent's piece. If say the opponent flips a black piece, that's still my piece, so I can do whatever I want with the piece. However, since all the other ones are not flipped yet, I cannot move anywhere until I flip them. Unlike the regular chess, there's a rank in this chess, and the largest piece would be the generals, and then it would be the guards, then the elephant, and then the chariot, and the horse. And then these two pieces are ranked the same. So what happens is the general can capture pieces that's below it, except the soldier. If say the soldier is right next to the general, then the soldier can capture the general. The cannon works about the same as in a regular Chinese chess, and it can jump over any piece. It can jump to its target as long as there's a piece in between it. So say this piece wants to jump over, then it can just jump over this way. And if pieces of the same rank happens to be next to each other, then they can capture each other. So say the horse, they're in these two positions. If I happen to move over here, then this other piece can capture this piece. Usually, when you have the cannon, you have to have the other piece also flipped in order to jump it. However, there's also a variation in which you do not need the piece to be flipped, so you can just jump like that and capture this piece. And a further variation from that would be continuous jumping, would be like that, and it's a black piece, so it can continue jumping. Another black piece, so it continues to jump until it hits a red piece, then it stays back at this place.